the One Shot Corporation, market leaders for ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, and sorbet pod dispensers. Don't forget, we are fast approaching 2 billion portions consumed globally, and no sanitizing is required. A real game changer. We have the Horeca Expo coming up on 17th, 21st November 2019 at the Flanders Expo in Belgium with our European strategic ice cream manufacturing partners, La Venezia, dispensing their delicious Il Primo products from our machines. These amazing flavors have helped distributors win awards, and you will be quite amazed by their incredible great taste. Indeed, a great taste is no understatement. More shows, more dealers, and more customers. Stay tuned, more exciting news stories to follow.